right, we've been out shoveling for an hour and 10 minutes. We're leaving this part open because we've got a friend that is going to plow the rest out. We've got, I would say conservatively, 16 inches now. The wind has been gusting to over 70 miles an hour. And we're talking over 80 miles an hour on Nantucket. We've had branches down. The people next door, branches took their wires down. For the Cape, it's like another few hours of pretty bad. Then it's going to start to taper off. We've made it through. Still got power right now. So many others don't. I hope that wherever you are safe. But the wind is just, God, it's like sand in my eyes when it's snow. Just wandering down the street a little. I just burned 800 calories shoveling. This, I hope, is the end of winter. Yikes. So that's the update from about 3 o'clock. 16 inches of snow, probably wind still gusting over 60 miles an hour. There you go. Blizzard of 2026 is no joke. Down there. Whew. All right, I'm going to go inside and dry off.